ever wondered why the red planet isn't blue? Or why Mars, with an atmosphere less than 1% of Earth's, still holds so many secrets? Welcome to the Martian Mystery, a planet that is as alluring as it is perplexing. Mars, our celestial neighbor, is wrapped in a thin veil of atmosphere, a stark contrast to our own blue planet. This gossamer layer of gases is what gives Mars its iconic red hue. But don't be fooled by its ethereal beauty. This thin atmosphere poses significant challenges for exploration, making Mars a planet of paradoxes. What's more, the Martian atmosphere is a complex cocktail of gases, with carbon dioxide reigning supreme. This composition, together with the planet's unique weather patterns, not only shapes the Martian landscape but also holds the key to understanding its past and potential future habitability. Well, fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to embark on a journey through the top 10 discoveries from studying the Martian atmosphere. Number 10 on our list is the thinness of the Martian atmosphere. Compared to our home planet, Mars has a remarkably thin atmosphere, with a surface pressure less than 1% of Earth's. It's almost as if you're at an altitude of about 22 miles above Earth's surface, where the air is thin and oxygen scarce. This discovery has significant implications for human exploration and potential colonization of the red planet. With such a thin atmosphere, Mars provides little protection from solar radiation, and the low pressure makes liquid water unstable on the surface. It also means that any human visitors or settlers would need to bring their own air to breathe. But don't let this discourage you. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of Mars, we learn more about its past and potential future, and how we might one day call it home. So Mars might not be the best place for a picnic, but our next discovery might just surprise you. At number 9, we've got a carbon dioxide party. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the Martian atmosphere, we find that it's predominantly composed of carbon dioxide, making up a whopping 95% of the air. This isn't just a fun fact, but a crucial piece of the Martian puzzle. You see, carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. This means it traps heat, helping to warm the otherwise chilly Martian surface. However, this warming effect isn't as pronounced as you might think. Due to the thin nature of the Martian atmosphere, the carbon dioxide can only do so much to raise the planet's temperature. So, while the red planet might have a monopoly on carbon dioxide, it's not exactly a tropical paradise. The average temperature hovers around a bone-chilling -80 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that's a cold party. But what happens when the temperature drops? Let's find out in our next revelation. Before we get to number 8, remember to subscribe, like, and comment if you're enjoying our Martian journey. Your engagement fuels our voyage across the cosmos, enabling us to bring more fascinating facts and discoveries your way. By subscribing, you're joining a community of curious minds, eager to unravel the mysteries of our universe. Your likes and comments help us understand what you want to learn about next. So don't hesitate to join in, and let's continue this journey together. Now, back to Mars. Coming in at number 8 is a winter wonderland like no other. Now imagine this, snow falling from the sky, but not any regular snow. This is a snow made from dry ice or solid carbon dioxide. Bizarre as it may sound, this is a real phenomenon on Mars. Scientists discovered this Martian peculiarity by studying the planet's weather patterns with space probes. It happens when temperatures drop so low in the Martian atmosphere that carbon dioxide freezes straight out of the air, creating a snowfall of dry ice. But why does this matter? Well, it's crucial to understanding Mars's climate and seasonal cycles. The snowfall of dry ice contributes to the planet's polar ice caps, which grow and recede with the Martian seasons. This, in turn, impacts the entire Martian weather system. So the next time you're making a snowman, just remember, on Mars, you'd need a whole different recipe. From snow to storms, our next discovery is a true spectacle. At number 7, we're caught in a Martian dust storm. Imagine a tempest of such magnitude that it blankets an entire planet. These are no ordinary dust storms, they're Martian dust storms, a phenomenon unique to the red planet. Scientists first discovered these storms when the Mariner 9 spacecraft arrived in Mars orbit in 1971, only to find the planet obscured by a global dust storm. These storms are fueled by the planet's thin, dry atmosphere and the sun's heat, which stirs up dust particles from the Martian surface. They can last for weeks, even months, and have a profound impact on the Martian landscape and climate. They also pose significant challenges to our exploration missions. For instance, The Opportunity rover's mission was ended prematurely when a dust storm blocked sunlight, its source of power. But these storms also offer valuable insights into Mars's weather patterns and climate history. As we weather the storm, let's dive deeper into the Martian atmosphere. Number 6 brings us a Martian whodunit with a methane twist. In the grand cosmic theater, Mars has been playing coy, showing traces of methane in its atmosphere. Now, why is this a big deal, you might ask? Well, on Earth, most methane is produced by living organisms, stoking the fires of speculation about potential Martian life. However, before we start packing for a Martian safari, it's worth noting that geological processes can also produce methane. The Curiosity rover has been sniffing around Gale Crater since 2012, recording methane levels. Interestingly, it's found that these levels seem to rise and fall with the Martian seasons. Scientists are still scratching their heads, trying to figure out what's causing these fluctuations. Is it geological activity, or is there something or someone else at play? The methane mystery continues to baffle us, keeping the intrigue of Mars alive. From mysteries to marvels, our top 5 discoveries are up next. We're now entering the top 5 of our Martian revelations. Buckle up, it's going to be a thrilling ride through the Martian atmosphere. In the 5th spot, we have the revelation of the Martian blue sunsets. Unlike our earthly sunsets that paint the sky in vibrant hues of red and orange, Martian sunsets are a spectacular sight of blue. This happens because the red planet's thin atmosphere scatters sunlight in a different way. The blue hue is a result of the sun's light being scattered more towards the blue part of the spectrum as it dips below the horizon. Moving on to number 4, we've got the super chilly nights. Mars might be our neighbor, but it certainly doesn't share our temperate nights. Temperatures on Mars can plummet to minus 80 degrees Celsius after sunset. This is due to the planet's thin atmosphere, which can't retain heat from the sun. Taking the 3rd spot is the discovery of supersonic winds. The Martian atmosphere is home to some truly extreme weather, including supersonic winds that can reach speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour. These winds have a significant impact on the Martian landscape, shaping everything from sand dunes to mountain ranges. Now, the runner-up in our list of Martian discoveries is the seasonal changes. Mars, much like Earth, experiences seasons. However, the Martian seasons are far more extreme due to the planet's tilt and elliptical orbit around the sun. These dramatic shifts in weather patterns offer us invaluable insights into the planet's climatic history. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. The most significant discovery from studying the Martian atmosphere is the potential for life. The detection of trace amounts of methane in the Martian atmosphere has sparked excitement among scientists. Methane can be a byproduct of biological activity, which suggests the tantalizing possibility of past or present life on Mars. While the source of this methane is still a topic of debate, its presence is a reminder of the mysteries that Mars continues to hold. And there we have it, the top 10 discoveries from studying the Martian atmosphere. A world of wonder and mystery right next door.